This is 1929 white FR sewing machine. Beautiful scroll on the body. In fact, I think this is the only sewing machine so far that I've seen that have embossed scroll work on the chassis itself. You can see that. Beautiful. Nickel plated, light. This machine just early conventional rotary. Yeah, see, white rotary hook sewing machine. It just go forward only, so it doesn't do much in terms of modern sewing machine that we've seen. But nevertheless, it's a beautiful machine. It uses they call Godzilla finish because it's very durable, and compared to the traditional earlier Japan finish, you know, one of those like a Singer or early one that have a shiny black paint with the gold decal all over, and over time, like 80 years old, 100 years old, all those gold decal is usually is worn out. But not the case with this white 1929 white FR here. See, white makes so many variety, many versions of the machine, but the principle is all identical. They make for Sears Roebuck under the name Kenmore, and they make some for some other company also, like Domestic and many or other names. And usually the telltale sign of white from far away is a big hole to reach for the bobbin. So let's see. Beautiful machine. And they come with the friction wheel, friction drive on the motor instead of a belt. Personally, I don't like it because over time you can see if the wheel just touch the hand wheel the whole time, over time it will be flat in one spot like that. So what I do, if I change a new one, I just stick some like a piece of paper here so it just stand out and not touch the hand wheel, so it lasts longer on the rubber. Personally, I prefer the belt, but that's how white doing, probably to save costs and all that.